This video is going to cover Objective 5.2 practice tasks. First step asks you to switch the rows and the columns of the chart, and there's no chart. So we're going to select A1 over and down through D19. Do not include that total row in your chart. A1 through D19 is already going to include September and October and November. So we're going to go up to the insert column or bar chart command, and we're going to choose the 3D clustered column chart. Once you choose that chart, in the results file, the style is going to be 9. So we're going to choose style 9 over on the left. Once you've chosen style 9, you can kind of compare it to the results file. There's a couple little differences, but it looks pretty similar. And at this point, we'll kind of pick up with the directions. We're not going to switch the rows and columns of the chart because that information already is matching the results file. We are going to change the October sales amount to 500. So looking at October, that is the orange colored amount in flowers. So we're looking for the orange bar to go down in flowers. So we're going to go over to October and flowers, and we're going to type in 500. Once we hit enter, you'll see that orange bar go down. The next step then is to expand the data range to include October and November, but we've already included that information in our chart when we created it. So if you ever need to remove data or add data to your chart, you can just hover over these data points here in the data, and you can drag them or add them to move and change that around. And then it asks us to change the chart title, sales by category. So you're going to click on where it says chart title, and I click in my formula bar, and I'm going to type in sales by category and hit enter. It's automatically going to pop that title in there. And then it wants above the chart, below the chart title, insert a legend that identifies the color that represents each month. Now the legend's already here, it's just down here. So let's take a look at if you go to chart design, the chart design tab, there's a quick layout, and I believe layout 2 is going to move the information up, the legend right above it, so now it's right below the title. So I'm going to click on quick layout 2, and then you can kind of stretch it out. And we did lose our data points on the left, but I'm not worried about it at this point. But go ahead and choose 2 so that the legend is below the title, and it may not look exactly like the results file, but this is acceptable for 5-2.